Hey there, have you ever found yourself staring at an ally check, wondering just how big it can get? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ally checks to find out exactly what the maximum amount is. Hook. Imagine writing a check so large, it could make your bank account sweat. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But what if it's not? Let's find out. Context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk a bit about Ally checks. Ally Bank is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and other financial products. Ally checks are a convenient way to make payments or withdraw funds from your Ally account. The maximum amount. So, what's the maximum amount you can write on an Ally check? Well, it's not a straightforward answer. The maximum amount depends on a few factors. Your account balance. The most obvious factor is the amount of money you have in your Ally account. You can't write a check for more than what you have. Check limits. Ally may have internal limits on the amount you can write on a single check. These limits can vary depending on your account type and your relationship with the bank. Federal regulations. There are federal regulations in place that limit the amount of money you can withdraw from a bank account in a single day. These regulations are designed to prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. Factors affecting check limits. Let's explore these factors in more detail. Account type. Your account type can influence the check limit. For example, a basic checking account might have lower limits than a premium checking account. Account age. The longer you've been an Ally customer, the higher your check limits may be. Account activity. Your account activity, such as how often you use your checkbook, can also affect your limits. Bank policies. Ally may have specific policies in place regarding check limits. These policies can change over time. Checking your check limits. If you're unsure about your Ally check limits, the best way to find out is to contact the bank directly. You can call their customer service number or log into your online banking account. Tips for writing large checks. If you need to write a large check, here are a few tips. Plan ahead. Give yourself plenty of time to plan your payment. This will help you avoid rushing and making mistakes. Check your balance. Before writing the check, make sure you have enough funds in your account. Use a check protector. A check protector can help prevent fraud by making it more difficult to alter the amount on your check. Keep a record. Keep a record of all the checks you write, including the date, payee, and amount. Alternative payment methods. While checks are still a popular payment method, there are other options available. Consider using electronic payments, such as ACH transfers or bill pay, for large transactions. These methods can often be faster, safer, and more convenient. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The maximum amount for Ally checks depends on a variety of factors, including your account balance, check limits, and federal regulations. By understanding these factors, you can make informed decisions about how to use your Ally checks. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Ally checks or other banking topics, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time.